Senator Biden, the next question will be for you. Barb Janusiak has come in from Milwaukee for it. Barbara, please.
As a nurse, I live with the failures of the American healthcare system daily. We don't have enough nurses to staff our hospitals. There are millions of unemployed, well, that too, but millions of uninsured. And even those who are insured do not get the care that they need because they are either denied coverage or the costs are too high. As president, how would you address these issues?
The first thing I'd do is let you know I know what it's like. I spent 7 months in the hospital with a couple cranial aneurysms and a major embolism. If there's any nurses, if there's any angels in heaven, they're all nurses, I can assure you that. Number one. Number two, I think we need, and others agree with me up here, we need not 100,000 new cops, which is the bill I wrote, but 100,000 new nurses that we fund. We fund in order to make things better. Number three, we have to be in a position where we don't let the enemy become the perfect become the enemy of the good. In the first year, I'd insure every single solitary child in America and make sure catastrophic insurance existed for every single person in America while we move toward a national health care system covering anybody. And in terms of walking the walk, let's make something clear here. For 34 years, I've walked with you on picket lines. 25 years ago with Reverend Jackson, he and I walked on picket lines together. And the fact of the matter is, it's not where you've been the last 2 years. Where were you the 6 years you were in the Senate? How many picket lines did you walk on? How many times? Look at our records. Look at our records. There's no one on this stage, mainly because of my longevity, that has a better labor record than me. The question is, did you walk when it cost? Did you walk when you were from a state that is not a labor state? Did you walk when the corporations in your state were opposed to you? That's the measure of whether we'll be with you when it's tough, not when you're running for president in the last 2 years, marching on 20 or 30 or 50 picket lines.
Senator Biden, thank you.